Welcome back everyone to the JJ Central DIY channel. Today we're going to see how to change a LED fixture light on a ceiling fan. So this is a hot topic because a lot of these new fans come with LED bulbs, which means you cannot change the bulb like you would normally screw in a bulb. I'm not talking about LED screw-in bulb, I'm talking about integrated LED bulbs. I'll show in a minute. So if that burns out, or if you're not satisfied with what you got. In this case, as you can see, there is an integrated LED ring bulb in there. And in my case, it is not that it's blown, but it is yellow, and I'm in an office environment. I want it to be white. So I'm gonna change that and show you guys how to fix, even if it's blown or if you just prefer to change it, what can we do? The first thing we can do is to find a replacement. So this is a replacement white temperature 6000 or 5000 LED ceiling fan, or can go into any integrated circuit. So all it is, we are just looking for two wires to replace and pop this up. In this one, it has a magnets in the back, so it can just snap right in place. You don't even need to put screws in there. So let's take that down, put this up, and see how it works. You can see that there are 3 screws on this. I took out 2 screws. Last screw is still down here, and we can take that off and the whole fixture comes out. Okay, the nice thing is there was a wire connector here that I was able to undo. So this is what we are left with: 2 wires, white and blue. Remember, in the United States, white is neutral and blue can be switched hot or generally hot. So if you're getting a replacement light fixture that is worldwide compatible, the colors may change. Here we see brown and blue. This is European spec. Brown is hot and blue is neutral on the European spec. So I'm using a Vago connector here. So if you notice, I put the blue wire of the US to the brown, which is hot to hot, and the white neutral of the US to blue, which is neutral to neutral. So I'm just gonna connect this back on and see if it works. As you can see, these connectors are pre-made that came with the fans. I'm reusing them to actually get the connection going. I'll have to do it one hand. Yes. Alright, so these connectors are connected. I am connecting the fans wiring with the new wiring that came with. Here I'm connecting the fans wiring with the new light fixtures wiring using a Vago connector. And all we have to do now is shove everything into this hole and push it back up. Before we do that, let's test it and see if it works. Alright, moment of truth. Whoa, that is bright. Okay, perfect white light, just like I wanted. Now let's put it all back in. What I'm gonna do is wrap some tape on it just to be sure, and then put it up. Okay, I'm just wrapping some tape on the Vago connectors. Not that I don't trust them, but just to be safe that it's a moving appliance. So just to be sure, wrapping some tape and keeping it secure. Now I'm just securing everything, tucking it nicely into this hole so that this fixture can be nice and flush. So let's put the wires in there as well, a little bit. And finally, that's it. That thing snaps on with the magnet. So center it up. I would say that is looking good. And there you have it. Nicely secure white light, or just replacement of the bulb. You can see the difference between how small this was versus that one. This I believe is like a 4-inch. This is a 6.5 inch. I'll put the link in the description so you can pick that up as well. And do the same. You can do it on any fan. It's just 2 wires. At the end of the day, it's a hot and a neutral wire, and you just have to cut that, splice this in. As long as you have a mounting point, measure that, how many inches you need, 4 inches or a 6-inch version. Once it's all secure, put up the dome. All done. One last check. Fan on, lights on. Beautiful. Love it. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you ever need to replace your light that is burnt out, or you just don't like the temperature color of that light, here's a way to do it. Check the description for Amazon links. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you can and hit a like on this video. I'll see you then.